and welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be going over even more product from our Spring 2024 release. We had so much fun during this February Inspiration Week, and we have been featuring a lot of our new spring product. Well, this release includes even more spring product, and we are so excited about them. We are going to be featuring those products in our March and April Inspiration Weeks, and we're going to be giving you a peek at those products today. Now, the awesome thing is that all of these spring 2024 products are available on February 22nd. So, all of these products that we are featuring in February, March, and April are available on February 22nd. So, we thought today it would be fun to give you a sneak peek at the rest of the spring 2024 products while we wait for the March and April Inspiration Weeks to start. First, we're going to take a look at all of the product we have featured in February, and then we're going to show you a little peek at the rest of the Spring 2024 release. First up, we're going to take a look at our Veggie Happy stamp set, also our Veggie Happy add-on stamp set, and our little farm fence border. And our adorable mice are at it again, and this time they are gardening veggies, and the cards with this turn out so cute. They are so much fun to make these little scenes, and I love that this set can go from thank you to birthday to thinking of you, etc., and that little farm fence is the perfect background. Then here we have our brand new interactive die, Give It a Whirl. We have our Give It a Whirl die, the Give It a Whirl scalloped add-on, and also the Give It a Whirl template that helps you create your awesome designs. And what this interactive die does is as you give your card a whirl and you spin it around, you get the incredible surprise of something underneath. I love the idea of having this adorable kangaroo scene underneath. There's so many cool things that you can do with this die, including fun things like this amazing color surprise. I love that this die could go for any holiday, any occasion, any season, anything in your imagination. They are so much fun to create. We also have an intro video which you can check out with instructions on how exactly to put this together. And oh my goodness, they are just about as much fun to put together as they are to give to someone. They are the best, most amazing fun surprise. And speaking of that adorable kangaroo there, we have our Kangaroorific stamp set. We also have a Kangaroorific add-on that has really fun seam builders in it, and we have our Kangaroorific baby sentiment add-on that helps you turn these kangaroos into the cutest baby card. And the cards with this turn out adorable. I mean, oh my goodness, it is perfect for Mother's Day, which is so much fun. I love that you can send love you cards with it or birthday cards too. It's really, really awesome for baby cards, as you can see there with You're Going to Be a Great Mom, and they are adorable in our interactive platform pop-up. Look how fun that is. Next up, we have our Happy Couples stamp set and also our Best Wishes line border. And this stamp set is so sweet for wedding cards, and it's really great for I love you or hug cards too. And you can see how fun and adorable these turn out. I am just in love with that floral arch. They are so cute. And then here you can see the critters in a wedding style, and here it is in a sending hug style, and all of them are so amazing. Then here we have our Carrot Bout You stamp set and our Carrot Bout You banner add-on. And those little carrot cards have my heart. This set is so super cute for Easter cards, but it's also really good for caring about you cards too. So I love that it's a stamp set that you could use year-round because of that adorable pun. And they're a really great match for our Give It a Whirl die too. I mean, look how adorable and cute that is. I love the surprise of the little bunny driving that carrot car. And that little banner coming out of the car, I mean, oh my goodness, it is so sweet. Then next up, to go along with our carrot theme, we have our carrot treat box, and this helps you make a three-dimensional treat box that is just about the cutest thing ever. Here we've added a little tag with that Carrot About You stamp set, and here we've die cut it out of pattern paper. They're perfect to hold little treats like jelly beans, and they're so much fun for Easter. Next up, we have our Build a Greenhouse die, and this die is so cool. You can create the most gorgeous cards with it. You can die cut it out of gold cardstock or black cardstock and do some bold scenes like this. And my other favorite part is that it is a really great match for stamp sets like the Veggie Happy stamp set. Look how cute that little mouse in the greenhouse is. I just love these so much. Then next up, we have our awesome Henry's Build a Sentiment stamp set. And with this set, you can build all sorts of sentiments. You could do hundreds of different sentiments, mixing and matching all of these different words. Here are just some cute samples of how you can use it for wishing you a happy Mother's Day, wishing you love and a happily ever after, or sending happiness your way. Next, we are going to be going over the rest of our Spring 2024 product that we are going to be featuring in our March and April Inspiration Weeks. And first up, we're going to be taking a look at a new stamp set called All the Speech Bubbles. All the speech bubbles has, well, all the speech bubbles. They are perfect for the little sentiments included in the set, and they're perfect for all those tiny sentiments included in so many of lawnfawn stamp sets. So it's the greatest way to add a cute little phrase to an adorable critter. Next, we have our My Rainbow stamp set, and that little unicorn is so sweet, and I love the rainbow and the clouds, and the cards with this turn out so adorable and happy. Next, we have our set Sometimes Life is Prickly, and it has that adorable little porcupine who is holding a cactus, and the cards with it come out so sweet. I love the I will always be here for you. Next up, we have our Hey There Hay Rides Bunny add-on, which is a really great add-on to our Hey There Hay Rides. It gives you a little bunny driver and some fun little things to put in the wagon that goes after the tractor. And the cards with it turn out so cute and so sweet. I love them so much, and I love that you can mix and match these elements with that carrot Bout You stamp set too. Next up, we have our Build a Drink Mason Jar add-on die. And this die is so super cute, and you can use the mason jar on its own, or you can mix and match it with all of the elements in these other Build a Drink items, which is so cool. The mason jar is adorable as a drink, and this cute little blueberry lemonade just makes me smile. And you can also use it as a vase, and you can see that we have filled that vase with our really awesome new lovely Lily of the Valley die. And these Lily of the Valleys are so beautiful. You can layer them for gorgeous cards like this, or you can do fun things like add them into your mason jar to create a fun bouquet. These are our Stitched Garden Veggies and Stitched Root Veggies dies, and these dies are so much fun. You can create adorable little veggies, and you can also add smiley faces or not, and here is an example with those adorable little smiley faces. You can also do really fun things like combine it with our Veggie Happy Mice, which look how fun that is, or you can do fun themes by sticking to one veggie like this cute little carrot card. Next up, we have our watering can die, which is so perfect for all of these fun, springy, gardeny things that we have. This watering can is so beautiful, and I love it filled with the lovely lily of the valley. I absolutely love creating platform pop-up cards, and now we have our brand new platform pop-up picket fence wraparound. This turns your platform pop-up into the cutest little garden with a picket fence around it. And here you can see that we've added that awesome watering can into this one, and we have our adorable veggie happy mice. I love as you push up from the bottom, you get that incredible design, and the picket fence all of the way around just makes me smile. Now, speaking of fun interactives, we also have some add-ons for the Ta-Da diorama. We have the butterfly window add-on and also the simple hillside and grassy inserts, which you can add to your Ta-Da diorama cards. And here is an example of how cute this is with the butterfly window and those beautiful little hills inside. The other thing that's really awesome about the Ta-Da Diorama Butterfly Window add-on is that you can use the butterfly on its own too and makes the most beautiful cards. You can see that one there with the popped up butterfly or one with a beautiful inked background. There are so many cool things that you can do with that die. Next up, we have our flower garden backdrop, and this backdrop is so beautiful. You can use it with just the leaves like we've done here, or you can add the beautiful little included flowers to create a gorgeous garden. I also love that you can take this to another level in your imagination and do things like create ocean cards with it. It is the most beautiful backdrop. Next up, we have our happy potted flower and also our garden snail. And these are our paper piecing style dies, and they turn out so super cute. That little flower just makes me smile. And then this little snail going through a garden is absolutely adorable, and I love it in these fun and happy colors. Next up, we have an add-on for our embroidery hoop. We have the embroidery hoop flower add-on, and it creates the most beautiful designs. And here you can see some gorgeous stitched cards and also a little notebook as well. And these little embroidery hoop designs are just so much fun. I love putting big sentiments on cards, and we have our brand new giant sending love here. This one is so much fun because it has these great little cutouts, which you can leave them open like we did on the card here, or you can fill in all the letters for a cool three-dimensional look. And then we have some new hot foil plates. We have our foiled sentiment sending rainbows and our clown background landscape. The background landscape is so beautiful and so perfect for scenes like these cute little veggies in the harvest crate. And the sending rainbows is absolutely stunning, and it fits a 3-inch circle, which makes it so easy to add to your cards. And it was designed to fit our brand new Give It a Whirl too. So how beautiful is that? You can add the awesome sending rainbow sentiment to the front of any of your Give It a Whirl cards. Next, we're going to take a look at our brand new paper collection, and this is our Rainbow Ever After paper. And we have all of these gorgeous designs in both a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size too. The papers are so beautiful with gorgeous colorful stripes and dots on the front, and then some great base colors on the back, making it easy to mix and match everything. I am particularly in love with the gradient paper. It makes the most gorgeous skies or backgrounds for beautiful sentiments. There's so much that you can do with this collection. And in the 6 by 6 pad, we have all of the designs reduced by about 50%, so that depending on your project, you can play around with the different scales of the paper, and these papers are just stunning. We have two new colors of cardstock. We have our algae cardstock and our tide pool cardstock. And these are great because they fill in a beautiful little rainbows of blues and greens. And so here you can see the tide pool in the middle compared to our mermaid on the left and our peacock on the right. And then for the algae, it compares to, we've got the algae in the middle, it's going to compare to cilantro on the left and then noble fir on the right. So I love that we have more options in our beautiful turquoises and our gorgeous greens. Last but not least, we have four brand new washi tapes. We have our Flower Garden washi tape, Happy Veggies washi tape, Unicorn Party foiled washi tape, and also our Butterfly Kisses washi tape. And here is a look at the designs. You can see the beautiful gold foil on that Unicorn Party. I love those little flowers. It would be great for seam building. The veggies just make me smile, and the butterflies are absolutely gorgeous. And that is a look at the product in our Spring 2024 release. We had so much fun creating during the February Inspiration Week, and you definitely need to check out the intro videos from this week featuring many of the cards here. And we cannot wait to share even more card inspiration throughout these next few months, including during our March and April Inspiration Weeks that will also have more intro videos too. And we are so excited that all of this Spring 2024 product will be available on February 22nd. I also just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for your wonderful comments, for watching our videos, and for just being absolutely incredible. We appreciate you guys so much, and we cannot wait to see what you create with these brand new products and how you give it a whirl, because oh my goodness, that is the very best part. It's seeing your incredible and amazing creations. We are so grateful for you, and you guys are so amazing. And thank you so very much for watching today. We love Rue so much, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!